To generate text to voice over in Microsoft Clipchamp Video Editor, follow these steps. First, start editing a new video or open an existing one. Step 1. Click the record and create on the left sidebar. Then click the text-to-speech button to get started. Step 2. Choose a voice from the list and generate a preview. There are unique voices to choose from, with different accents, ages, and sounds. To sample a voice, simply select one from the voice drop-down, type some text, and click the preview button. You can also preview your voiceover by clicking on the play button. Step 3. Adjust punctuation to get the perfect pronunciation. You can use punctuation to make small but impactful changes to your text-to-speech delivery. Here's how it works. Full stops. These will add a moderate pause to your text-to-speech before the next sentence begins. Commas. A comma will add a short pause before the sentence continues. Ellipses. Adding an ellipsis to your text-to-speech will result in a prolonged pause. The longer you make it, the longer your text-to-speech will pause. Question marks. Ending a sentence with a question mark will change its intonation. You'll notice a rise in pitch on the last syllable of the sentence. Exclamation marks or all caps. At this point in time, exclamation marks or typing in all caps is unlikely to affect the delivery of your text-to-speech. Step 4. Once you're happy, click Save to Media Library. To add the voiceover to your project, click the Save to Media button. You will automatically return to the editor. You will find the audio file in the Your Media tab. Step 5. Add your text-to-speech audio to the timeline to edit. Once you add your voiceover files to your project, they will load in the Your Media tab. Drag and drop them where you want to add audio to the timeline.